Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add a members only area on Wix. So make sure you sign up to Wix. The link to that is in the description box below. And open your website. And then make sure you click here where it says design site. So the first thing you want to do is to click here on these 4 squares so we can add apps. Then search for members. And this app should appear, Wix member area. Now, if you are building your website from a template, it might be already added. If that's the case, then install button will say add again. There is no need to add it again. Just close this menu and go to the pages menu here. And you should see the members area section. Once this is done, you should have a page similar to this one, which the user will see once he logs in. Now notice that this login bar here was added to the projects. And if we return to my home page, so I'm going to go back here. It will be right here, and this menu is going to allow users to log in, log out, and so on. I can come to my pages and click member area and manage member pages. This is going to allow me to add more pages to the members area. There's going to be a couple templates here, and depending on what apps you have added to your project, more templates will be showing up here. For instance, if you have payments in your website, you will be able to say a template to manage payments in this section based on payments in your members area. In this case, I don't have any of those. Another important thing about the member area is that you can come here to your progress again and configure the sign up and login page. If I click here and select custom form, and then I click add to site, I can design exactly what the form that the user is going to have to fill in before creating an account is. If you come down here to my business and Wix members area and select manage members, you can see your users, how many they are and what their info is, and manage that in this section. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can customize. And if I visit the website, this is what it looks like. So I can come here and sign up, and this is my members area. That's what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.